Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. So today I'm going to talk about the new Maybelline Sensational Matte Liquid Lipsticks. Quite a big name, but I was like so excited to talk about these. But I ended up forgetting that I purchased these. Yes, these are not PR. I purchased 3 shades from this range, and then when I remembered again, I asked you guys on Instagram, which you should be following me already on, that whether you want to see a video or not, and a lot of you said yes. So if you want to know whether these lipsticks are worth buying or not, then we should hop onto the video. And also, if you're here only for the swatches, I'll insert a timestamp in the description box so you can directly just jump to the swatches. So I want to begin with this, that yes, I'm wearing one of the shades from this range because I always do that. So I have 3 shades with me, but originally this range has 11 shades, at least in India. You can find it online on Nykaa, which I'll be linking below, as well as you can find it in stores. I got mine from Health and Glow, and in Health and Glow they did not have all of the shades, and the ones they were swatching pretty much looked like, either they look like shades that would wash me out or looked, pretty much the same. So I ended up buying only 3. Now I was just going through, what Maybelline claims when it comes to these lipsticks and all of that, and Maybelline says that these are very long lasting, they come in vibrant colors, they are not very dry, and also the brand says that these are highly pigmented. I have been wearing this actually on and off for a while. Firstly, let me talk about the opacity or the pigmentation of these lipsticks. Now if you have pigmentation on your lips, then you will have to go with 3 to 4 layers. That is the first thing that I want to point out. A normal brown girl, I have pigmentation on my lips, so I did have to go with 3 to 4 layers to like completely give that even look on my lips. So that is the first thing. However, these are pigmented. They are not as pigmented as the Superstay Matte Ink, which is like my favorite. They have a lot of color, they offer a lot of color. The swatches are beautiful, you will see it just in a while. But again, if you're looking forward to just have that complete even color on your lips, then 3 to 4 times is like a must. Now let us talk about the texture. For some reason, I assumed that these are going to be like Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream or the NYX ones, but no, these are like absolute liquid lipsticks. These are not lip creams. So the texture is very beautiful. It's not patchy. For the lighter colors, actually, I did notice some of them were patchy, but for the darker ones, they're not patchy. It's very beautiful. It's a beautiful liquid lipstick texture. That is one thing that I've noticed. Yes, it dries up pretty quickly. It dries up like within 30 seconds to a minute. Now Maybelline also claims that this is very comfortable on the lips and they do not dry out your lips. I will agree to this statement, but not completely. Because once you put this on and once they dry up, you do feel like you're wearing lipstick, and it feels like it feels a bit dry. Like right now also, when I'm talking continuously, I can feel like I'm wearing lipstick. I can feel that stretchy thing on my lips. But nonetheless, it's nothing extreme and you can totally wear it on a daily basis. Make sure to moisturize your lips very well and exfoliate them, because these, once they dry up, they will definitely enhance the chapped skin on your lips. Now the next question for sure is whether this one transfers or not. Now this, like a normal liquid lipstick, once it's on, it's on. It does not move until you start eating something, especially like Indian food, like like things that have a lot of oil. Then the lipstick will start moving. It's something that you will notice. But if you just wear it, and if you are just having light food, water, something, it will not really transfer. I'm going to show you. There you go. So nothing transfers. So this formula is transfer proof. Third thing is that the lasting power. So as I've already mentioned, I got these a while back, probably a month back or more than that. So I have been wearing them like every single day for different kind of things, even when I was like working full time. Once you put this liquid lipstick on, unless you're eating something, you won't really see any transfer or anything. In like few hours, say like 2 to 3 hours, you will start noticing that this lipstick is settling into the fine lines of your lips. lips. That happens, you will notice that it happens with a lot of liquid lipstick, and this is nothing, you know, special. It happens with this one as well. But other than that, these liquid lipsticks stay on for a very good amount of time. Even after like having my lunch, or say, you know, something like some food or something, these were still on for, I would say, a very decent amount of time, like 5 hours easily it'll last on your lips. This fades away from the center and kind of, you know, settles on the outer line of your lips. So now let us talk about the price point of this. So 7 ml of product retails for 349 Indian rupees. I really like the, you know, whole pricing situation of this range. Personally, I think that Maybelline has done a good job when it comes to, you know, like deciding the price of this range of liquid lipsticks, because the amount you get, the quantity you get, as well as, you know, the things that it has to offer, I think this is a very good price point. It is not very expensive, and it is not also, you know, like super affordable, like say 100-200 rupees. But again, I'm very happy that a brand like Maybelline is putting out a good formula like this one for such an affordable rate. Now coming to the shade range, okay, so they have 11 shades, and most of them are like, you know, nude colors, nudie browns, peachy nudes, pinky nudes, you know, like pinks that can completely wash you out. So if we talk about Indian skin tone in general, I did not see a lot of shades in this range that would, you know, suit Indian skin tones. And even if they would, like some of them, you know, they're the same colors. So I would love to, you know, see some more browns and purples and, you know, like a lot more colors in this range. I'm going to insert the swatches now. And yeah, this is a fun range, and it's always, you know, exciting to try out new liquid lipsticks or new lipsticks in general. That's for my review, guys. If you have any other questions, or if you want me to add any more points, you know, when it comes to my lipstick reviews, then let me know in the comments. Let me know if you have tried these liquid lipsticks or if you're planning to. And also you can let me know your video requests in the comments. I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care, stay safe, and yeah, I love you all. Bye bye.